NASA's locked-in system makes increased GPS accuracy possible without adding any size, weight, power, or cost requirements to networked or smart devices. And this patent is now available for licensing.
The error on a typical low-cost GPS receiver can range anywhere from 5 to 20 meters. Using locked-in, we can lower this to around 1 meter nominally. We do this by using a variety of base stations and collect differential or other corrections from these base stations. We then can apply these corrections to a mobile low-cost GPS receiver to improve or enhance the position of it.
Locked-in works using an adapted version of differential or real-time kinematic GPS. While this was developed here at NASA for unmanned aerial system or urban air mobility type operations, the uses of locked-in are far beyond that. There's all kinds of applications for gaming, E911, pedestrian navigation, vehicle navigation, anything in which refined accuracy would be a benefit. The location corrections through differential networks, or locked-in, is a way of refining and enhancing the positioning capabilities of really cheap networked devices such as cell phones, smartwatches, tablets, anything like that, to be able to increase the positioning accuracy without adding any size, weight, power, or cost to the device itself. Check out our website and YouTube channel to discover this and other patents available for licensing.
This NASA technology and many others are ready to be transferred to your business. Find out more by visiting technology.nasa.gov.